Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Holo HOT token, and I will tell you my next medium duration targets, my next long duration targets, and my next immediate short term target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is the CoinGecko page of Holo HOT token, and it is currently trading at $0.01779. Price increases 4.1% in 24 hours. Market cap of this token is $3.1 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 813 million. Circulating supply of this token is 1.7 trillion, and current rank of this token is 40, and it will this button will lead you to the website. Let me please show you the website. This is the website. Please do your own research before investing in this token. I will not responsible any of your loss because I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. Please do your own research before investing in this token, and please thumbs up the like button for the motivation. This is the website you can visit, and you can read it. And let's dive into the CoinGecko page, and let me please tell you some price and market stats of this token. This token gives 568% profit to its holder in just 30 days, and this token gives 5,241% profit in 1 year to its holders. That is very good profit. In return on investment is 3,856%, which is very good. Market cap of this market cap dominance of this token is 0.16, which is very good. And 24-hour low price of this token was 0.01693, and 24-hour high price of this token was 0.01816. And all-time high of this token was on March 30, 2021, just 2 days ago, and the price was 0.01979. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, and the price was 0.0002220 about 1 year ago. And this token is available on these exchanges: Binance, Prevo, and Todex. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get this link. This is the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And if you want to buy Bybit leverage trading account, then this is the link. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please tell you what are the targets. This is the Holo US dollars 1 hour Binance 1 day Binance chart, and it is currently trading at 0.017679, and this is the resistance level, which is 0.0205, and this is the support zone, which is 0.0124. And here you can see it is currently creating a bull flag right now. And let me please show you the target, and let me please draw this. And friends, please thumbs up the like button, and please join my Telegram channel, because on my Telegram I regularly post charts and price predictions and all things. That is why I am asking this. And let me please do this, and after that I will tell you my. Let me please clone this. Here you can see it will create new all-time high, and it will be $0.02794. And once it break this bull flag and upside resistance, in that case definitely it have to go to 0.027, and this is the upside resistance, which is currently is at 0.0205. And let me please show you the medium duration target for this token right now for all of you. And let me please do this. Let me please do this. And it is a February retracement tool. According to February retracement tool, it is currently in between 0.78 to 1 point, and according to the February retracement, this will be the final. This will be the next zone, which is 0.0205, and once it break, then this will be the next zone, which is 0.0336. You can say our second medium immediate short-term target will be 0.033. According to the this target is according to the February retracement. And let me please show you the minimum target. I think this token can hit within 2021. I think this token can hit this target. I think this token can easily hit 400% and 0.0875%, $0.0875 within 3 to 6 months. This is my first medium duration target. This is the medium duration target, and let me please show you my long duration target. I think within 2021, this token can hit this. 15 cent I think will be very realistic target. This token can hit this and can give you 750% profit. Before buying this token, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, just please go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get this link of Binance. Click on this link and create your account. Let's dive into the Holo BTC pair chart, and let me please show you this chart, Holo and Holo with BTC pair. Here you can see it was rejected from 36,507 Satoshi, and currently it is at 30,419 Satoshi. Let me please check what is this correct or not. Sorry for that. That was wrong information. I am very sorry. Price is 30 Satoshi, and sorry for that. It is currently trading at 30.4 Satoshi, and all-time high on this chart is HIT BTC chart is 36 Satoshi, 36.5 Satoshi. And let me please do this, and let me please tell you what are the targets. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, which is currently is at 36 Satoshi, in that case it will go up. And what will be the medium duration target? Let me please show you. Immediate short-term target, sorry, this is very immediate short-term target, and this is 47.5 Satoshi, and I think this is very realistic, and this is very immediate short-term target. And let me please show you my long duration target. According to this chart, I will tell you the targets. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation, friends, and please keep supporting me. And if you are new, then please thumbs up the like button, and please join my Telegram channel, and join now please, and please keep supporting me. According to the February retracement, it is currently in between 0.78 and 1, and this is the level. Once it hit this level, 36 Satoshi, which is the level of February retracement level 1, and let me please show you what are the targets. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. I think this token can give maximum profit to all of you, and because this is very good project, very good team, and currently it is in trend and having good hype. and that is why I am asking this. 153 Satoshi is my target, and this target it can hit within 6 months, I think 3 to 6 months. 400% is the target, and let me please tell you my final target, which I think Holo or HOT token can hit within 2021. I think this token can hit this zone very, I'm very much sure. Maybe 300 Satoshi, or maybe 250 Satoshi. This is the target. 250 Satoshi is my target for 2021. I think this target, it can hit this target. 250 Satoshi is my target, I think so. Let me please arrange this, and please friends, thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is the target. 250 Satoshi is our target for 2021. First target, immediate short-term target is 47 Satoshi. Medium duration 6-month target is 153 Satoshi. And last target, according to the Fib retracement tool, is 250 Satoshi, I think so. And it will give 700% profit, I think so, within this bull run 2021. Thanks friends, and keep supporting me. And if you want to join this on Binance, then this is the link. Go to in this video's comment section or description, where you can get this link of Binance. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me.